What piece of advice would you give someone who wants to start cosplaying?
Ooh, okay. I love this question because I know a lot of newcomers, they're very worried about how they look and, how others people might think about their cosplay. But I want to say that cosplaying is about bringing the character to life based on how you prefer them to be. So don't worry about what other people think. I'm sure that you look amazing. Your first time cosplay, so don't be scared. Everyone's very sweet and nice here. We're going to compliment you and support you. So don't be worried about coming to a con and be nervous because we're all going to be friends. It's a family here.
Especially at anime cons.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. I think the biggest thing is social media is a huge pressure. I think with the rise of TikTok and Instagram, everything's kind of become a beauty contest. If you are not doing your cosplays for you, I think that defeats the purpose of cosplay. Cosplay who you love. I know it's really corny, but that's the only way you're going to enjoy it and do things, within your skill set, within your budget. Don't push yourself too far because it's supposed to be fun. It's a hobby at the end of the day.
Just have fun and be you.
Yeah, have fun and be you.
I would just say that to not overthink it because while you might not feel that you completely fit the character, all that matters is if you enjoy it and if you like that character, even if you might not look exactly like them. That's not what it's about. It's about having fun.
Yeah.
My take on it is just money. You got to think about the money. You could
straight cash.
Yeah, you could honestly just look online if you need to. Probably find a bit of the cheap stuff. Like for mine, it was pretty cheap overall, and probably online trying to find the same exact outfit, it'll be a bit more expensive. So just look around, try to figure out how to cosplay it, get it all put together, but just budget on it, especially as college students.
Okay.
Yeah, so
budget and have fun.
Yes, very much so.
Just do it. Don't worry about anyone else. Just do it. It's so much for fun. We have a fun time making our own cosplays. It can be a little bit frustrating, but going through TikTok and looking at tutorials and through YouTube definitely make it better. Try to go with some friends. I'm right now only here with my mom. It's a little sad, but it's so much fun here. It's so fun dressing up. You're basically like dressing up as a kid. Yeah. It's basically just a more advanced version of dress up.
Yeah.
But just do it.
Be creative, and if you don't have something, you make it out of the old clothes that you have.
Okay, and have fun.
Have fun.
My best advice: be yourself.
Yeah.
And just love it, because at the end of the day, you're probably going to cosplay someone that you like or that you connect to. So just be yourself, because at the end of the day, it's cosplay. You can do what you want.
Right.
You can go cosplay Gintama, but do it how you want to, or you want to be a cool All Might or or swagged out All Might, go for it.
Female All Might?
A female, you can do anything. Like there's so much you can do with cosplay. The only thing that limits you with cosplay, what I love, is your creativity.
Yeah.
So my best advice, let your creativity run wild, and I would love to see you guys here.
If it's raining that day, don't wear anything fur, because it's going to weigh you down.
Yeah, all her tails are getting weighed down. I would say, I don't know, just try to fit into like your style the best way that you can. Like you don't have to follow anybody else or worry about like what the standard is. Like just do whatever you want to do. Have fun with it.
Nice, I agree.
Good advice is don't worry about your costume being too canon. Just have fun, because that's the biggest part about being like a cosplayer, is just having fun and being yourself.
I feel like that's the advice we've been getting a lot of. Just having fun.
Just
being yourself.
It would definitely be to pick a character that you truly like and you can truly have the energy to, also have confident in getting feedback.
Yeah.
So pick a character that you love, that you connect with, and then also don't fear people giving you constructive criticism.
Sure.
But also just, especially the internet, if you're going to do TikTok and stuff, you have to be kind of
thick skin,
ready for people to come after you. But most of the time, what I love about conventions is people don't do that here.
Yeah.
Nobody's going to come up to you and be like, that's not right. That's not, you know what I mean? That's an all online thing. So.
And the more unique you are, you might actually get people who come up and say, that's a cool idea.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I live for that. I do a lot of social media, but I really, really enjoy coming to conventions.
Yeah.
Yeah. who want to get into cosplay, I would say if you're like anxious about it or you feel a little like insecure about it, like don't worry about it. Literally go for it. Just do it. I even like this morning, I put my cosplay on and I felt a little like self-conscious about it, but I was like, let me just do my makeup, throw the wig on, and let me have a good day. And honestly, the cosplay community itself is so welcoming that it doesn't matter if you've been doing it for 5 minutes or for 10 years. Like, just go ahead and do it. Don't feel worried. My biggest one though is like, don't let the idea of your skin color dictate what characters you can cosplay or not. I'm literally Hatsune Miku. She is like an Asian 14-year-old girl who is like starkly white, and that's not gonna stop me from cosplaying her no matter how much I adore her. So don't let anything like that stop you. I love it. Thank you.
Just keep at it, because there's like a confidence thing, and don't look down on yourself too much.
And just have fun.
Yeah, have fun with it. As long as you enjoy the character, cosplaying.
I would just say to cosplay something that you really love, because you're gonna meet a whole community, and it's something that you might even be involved with for a very long time. So just cosplay something you love, because you're gonna meet so many new people and friends.